The illustrated alphabet of birds. A. The auk. A is an auk, of the Arctic Sea. He lives on the ice, where the winds blow free. B. The bluebird. B is a bluebird. In early spring, how sweet his songs through the forest ring. C. The condor. C is a condor, on the Andes height, he plumes his wings for a lofty flight. D. The duck. D is a duck of the canvas-back sort, to shoot at a flock is considered fine sport. E. The bald eagle. E's a bald eagle, so bold and so free, on the flag of our country he spans a land and sea. F. The fish hawk. F is a fish hawk, who lives on the shore, he catches his prey mid the ocean's roar. G. The goose. G is a goose, his feathers we take and put them in sacking our beds to make. H. The hummingbird. H is a hummingbird, sporting mid flowers and brightly enjoying the sunny hours. I. The ibis. I is an ibis, who wanders in bogs, and lives upon lizards, and fishes and frogs. J. The jay. Jay is a jay, with his blue and white coat, with a crest on his head, and a ring round his throat. K. The kingbird. K is a kingbird, pugnacious and bold, a hero in fight, and a terrible scold. L. The lark. L is a lark, a sociable bird, his song in the meadow is frequently heard. M. The magpie. M is a magpie, he lives at the west, steals and scolds and eats carrion, he's none of the best. N. The night heron. N is a night heron, of fishes quite fond, he looks for them now, as he stands by the pond. O. The owl. O is an owl, who hides through the day, and comes out at night, to seek for his prey. P. The pigeon. P is a pigeon so rapid in flight, that before you can shoot him he's gone out of sight. Q. The quail. Q is a quail, who hides in a tree, and whistles bob white with lively glee. R. The robin. R is the robin, so kind and so good, who covered with leaves, the poor babes in the wood. S. The swallow. S is the swallow, she darts through the air to catch little insects, her favorite fare. T. The turkey. T is a turkey, a fine dashing beau, by his fuming and strutting, his pride you may know. U. The upupa. Use the upupa, or hoopoo. His crest he can raise up or lower, as suits him best. V. The vulture. V is a vulture, who feeds on the dead, when the dark battlefield, with corpses is spread. W. The woodpecker. W is a woodpecker, who with his long bill, bores holes in a tree, and of worms eats his fill. XX. The xanthornis. X is xanthornis, or Baltimore bird. Oft in our orchards, his music is heard. Y. The yellow bird. Y is a yellow bird, with feathers so bright, who sings all the day, and sleeps all the night. ZZ. The letter Z, or roost. Z stands for none of the feathered race. It must serve as a roost, or lose the last place.